Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Ignition Module for Star Mfg part #2E-Z15271-1. The Ignition Module for Star Mfg part #2E-Z15271-1 is a high-performance, high-efficiency ignition module designed to provide reliable and consistent ignition performance in a variety of applications. This module is designed to be used with Star Mfg's line of commercial cooking equipment, including griddles, charbroilers, and fryers. The module features an adjustable temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and is capable of providing up to 40,000 BTU/HR of heat output. It also features a built-in spark gap adjustment that allows for precise control over This part fixes the following symptoms. This ignition module is designed to replace the existing module in a Star manufacturing commercial griddle. It is used to control the temperature of the griddle and ensure that it is operating at the correct temperature. It can help to fix issues such as inconsistent temperatures, slow heating, or no heat at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the screws that hold the access panel in place and remove the panel. 3. Locate the existing ignition module and disconnect any wires connected to it. 4. Remove the mounting screws that hold the old ignition module in place and remove it from the appliance. 5. Install the new ignition module in place of the old one, making sure to line up any mounting holes with those on the appliance chassis. 6. Securely fasten the new ignition module with its mounting screws and reconnect any wires that You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.